Hello everyone, my name is Sandy Parra. This tutorial is part of an English course. Right now I'm studying agronomy in the UNAT. I live in Bogota and I work for one of the government's distrital secretaries. So I'm going to teach you how to make compost. It's like very simple. It's a way to make your own fertilizer if you can do it at home. You don't need a farm or a big space to do compost. It's very easy, so I'm going to teach you how. So first of all, you are going to grab like a container. If you have a space, you can have a big one. And then you are going to make holes in the container just to let the mixture breathe or let the oxygen in. It's very important for the compost process and all the bacterial microbacterial things that are in the compost. So it's going to be compost for green and brown things. So the brown things is going to add carbon in our compost, and the green ones are going to add nitrogen. So for the brown things, you can use like paper, cotton fabric. Here are some examples. Cardboard, yes, or fall leaves as well. For the greens, you have to add like if you, I don't know, maybe in the kitchen you have some vegetable and fruit scraps, eggshells. That is going to add the nitrogen in the bin. Grass clipping, I don't know, some trimming from the plants, etc. Also, if you have a farm, you can add the animal manure. It's important that you can not use pet like our dog or cat or something like that, but you can use like cow, a chicken manure, all these kind of things. So once you have this, once you collect all these things, the correct way to do that is to add the green things first, and then you are going to add the browns. So every time that you add green, you need to add the browns on the top. So all the things are going to decompose through the days. So the final result, or the result, sorry, is like a good fertilizer for your plants or in your farm if you have a farm. So we have here like the cycle. First you have the food, then the scraps is important. If you have a way to use like little or small pieces, so it accelerates the decomposed process. And on the top you have all these the pieces, and once you let them decompose, it's going to be something like this, like the earth. And yeah, that's kind of a way how you make compost. Thank you so much for listening, and that's all.